Hi everyone, welcome back to another How to Draw. Today we're going to be doing Snoopy the Dog. Alright, let's begin. Alright everyone, so today we're going to be doing little Snoopy. And I love his little bow tie, so we're probably going to do that too. So, what we're going to be needing is a pencil, an eraser, some paper, and for extra, I like using Sharpie or marker. And if you'd like to do this part, that's awesome. And if not, that's perfectly fine too. Okay, so let's start. Now, when we look at Snoopy, we can see he has almost like when we see Snoopy, we have almost like a very non-pointy heart. So we'll make one side a small part of a heart, and we'll make this side a big piece of a heart. Now, it might not look like one, but that's okay. To make it easier, we could also do one circle here, and then a nice little line here. Well, curve, more in particular. Okay? To make Snoopy's ear, we're just going to have it protrude out with a nice little curve, okay? And I'm going to erase all the unnecessary lines. Okay. Make his head look a little bit more like his shape. We're going to almost remove that point that we made it to separate the shapes, okay? And I'm going to clean up my shape a little too as I go. So I'm going to make this a little bit more rounded. And for his body, we're going to do what I usually like to say, a tear-shaped body. But this one's going to have a little bit of a wiggle at the end, so we're just going to start by going with the down, and then up, and then down. It gives him a little cute douche. I guess you can call it almost like a pear. There we go. And we're just going to erase all those unnecessary parts, same as before. All right, look at him. Isn't he looking already like Snoopy? And we're just going to, well, I'm just going to clean up my line just a teeny tad bit again. Okay, and to make his nose, we're going to do just a little part of a circle. So that's good. And then I'm probably going to fill in his nose with like a nice little shine afterwards. And for his feet, I really like the way these feet look. So what we'll do is we're going to draw two rectangles, one that goes up this way and one that goes down this way, okay? And then we're going to add a curve to this one. And then another curve up here. That's what his feet look like on the thing. And then we're just going to add another line down here, another curve to show his other foot. And a little curve to show his paws. Awesome. Look at him. We're getting there. Next, what we could do is his hands. Now the hand is pretty easy. You can just draw a rectangle like we did before, and circle. And from there we can connect them. And I'm going to erase any unnecessary lines. 1, 2, and 1, 2. That's his paws. Okay. Now, to draw his bow, we're going to do a circle up here, or maybe more like an oval. And next we'll do little, almost like a triangle, we'll say. So a triangle without the points. Yeah, I think that's the proper way to explain it. And we're going to just make a little line here and a little line here, so that way it shows the other one on the other side. Okay? Great job so far. We're almost there. Okay. And to make his tail, I think I'm going to make it a little wavy. So we're going to make one little curve that kind of swooshes. And we're going to bring it back. Kind of like that. So that's a swoosh up and a swoosh down. Okay? And last but not least, we'll add some spots to his back and his tail, and then his body is done. Next, what we can do is his eye. Now his eye just kind of goes in between his nose. So if you put a tiny little easy to erase line here, we can just make a nice little oval fill, which is an eye, and then an eyebrow that goes above his head. And erase anything that we don't want. And since I know where I want my eye to be, I can erase it. All right, he's looking pretty good. I'd say so. What about yous? Okay, for an extra, I want to give him, to give that Valentine's Day feel, a hand with a heart. So, same thing what we did before, is we're going to make a rectangle for the arm, but instead of a big circle, we can do a circle here, but we're going to cut away some of that circle to make a thumb. And then we can erase that other part of the circle. Okay? And then you can draw a pretty little heart that goes here. Okay? Perfect. So, since we're on the final steps here, I'm gonna do my favorite little thing where I'm going to clean up my lines and make everything look nice and pretty. If you'd like to do that for yours, follow along, maybe make it fun and creative. That's all up to you. But until then, I'll see you at the end. All right, that's the end. Thank you.